guys, do you remember back in the day where $90 would get you a plain white case, no windows, no fans, no power supply, nothing? Well, things have changed. We'll take this MUSETEX G07. Basically, for $90, it comes with 2 glass windows and 5 or 6 fans, plus a controller, which is a pretty good deal. I'm not going to do a full review on it because it's an older case. It's been out for a while, and there's a half dozen different videos on it. But I am doing a build, rebuilding my editing rig that I damaged. And I figured I'd just do a quick video and unbox this and see what it's like. I'm curious to see what the metal's like, what the build quality is like. One thing I do like is, well, the fact that it's got the free windows and the fans. It's also got room for the hard drive trays, which you could see through the glass, which is kind of cool. Because usually I do use SSDs, but I do have a few old hard drives that I still run with these newer cases. One problem I may run into is my editing rig has an old CD-ROM for some old software that I like to load up. I don't see anything on this to adapt that. Usually they might have something on the side there where you can punch it out. We'll see. Let's open it up. I just think it's great that you can spend the same amount now and something way better and delivered to your door. I have to go pick it up. This is probably the first computer box that showed up at my door without damage, hopefully. I don't see any damage to the box. The guy that delivered it was pretty careful. Let's see what the packing is like. Wow, it's a big case. Let me put you down. See if we can't jimmy this thing out of here. Nice. It's bigger than expected, which I'm not complaining because I was looking for more room. My other cases doesn't have room. I like how they reinforce the foam. It's a nice touch. Areas where it would fail when it gets impacted. So they take great care. See, that's why they add the cardboard. It's a good thing to do. Okay. Sorry. Somewhat light. Yeah, this is a nice case. I'm surprised. For $90. I haven't even unpacked it yet fully. That is nice. I love the glass. And I'm going to do what I shouldn't be doing, is pulling plastic off before I build it. Oh, yeah. That was satisfying. I love the glass. I'm guessing it just pulls air in through the side here. I can't really see the vents. That's nice. I like that. We got a little bit of a warning here. Tempered glass, blah, blah, blah. Don't really care. Smoked glass, which I like. glass is nice and thick. It's got foam on the sides. Nice. I'm loving that. Lots of real estate in here. Pretty basic. Like I said, for 90 bucks. I mean, you're not going to get rubber grommets around the holes and everything else. It's fine for what I use it for. I'd like to keep my cases cheap only because I do stupid things like modify them and cut holes in them and everything else. This one I don't think I will. It's very nice compared to my Cougar. That lid's nice and solid too. It does come with pull ties or Velcro straps, which is nice. 2 SSD drawers. A little bit of room on the bottom there. We got a box on the bottom there. Items and screws and stuff. It's got an extra hard drive tray in the bottom. Oh, sorry. Let's see there. And is that it? Oh, so that can't be for hard drives because... Oh, I see. Okay. Yeah, so it's got the one on the bottom there, and then it's got the 2 up here for the SSD. All your connectors. Cool. Surprisingly, I've had cheaper than this. This metal on this case is actually half decent. You can't bend it by hand. It's got the same thing my Cougar case has with the removable screens with the magnets, which actually do come in handy. That's what it looks like on the top. Yep, I'm liking it. This is going to be a nice build. Now, this other thing I was curious about. My Cougar case, what I did end up doing is I ended up doing a mod where I ended up taking tin snips and I cut this out and I turned it, which actually worked so I can have my card this way. I'm curious if this is removable and I can turn this to put my card on its side. That would be kind of cool. Let me remove this and see if I can slip this out. I think it is. I hope it is. Either way, I'm cool with it sitting flat. Well, that's on there pretty tight. Let me get a screwdriver. Yeah, I thought it might have that by default, but it doesn't. All it does is it just sweeps back so you can get at the screws, which seems to be a lot of materials just for a cover for the screws. That's my opinion. Anyway, yeah, I love it. Given the size, one issue I did have with my old cases when I put the new fan in is the heatsink was like literally touching the glass. This is giving me a lot more room depth-wise. To give you an idea, there's the from there to there, and then this is my old one here. It's super thin. So cool. I do like the fact that it has all the stuff on the side here. It's very nice and neat. Decent button that's not all flopping around. It comes with 3, 4, 5, 6 fans. Hey, wait a minute. That's one thing I didn't see. 6 fans. I didn't see no controller in this thing. Unless I'm missing something. Let's check the box. There's your wiring harness. There's nothing there. Nope. Huh. Maybe this model I didn't have the controller. I'm missing something here, but there's no controller. Which is alright, I have one. But I thought it would be nice to have a spare. This is just screws and tie wraps. All around, even if it doesn't have the ARGB controller or fan controller with it, it's still a pretty good deal. Like, they've come a long way in cheap cases. This is pretty good. Well, not bad. I definitely feel like I got my money's worth in this. The only downside I see is the fact that the tempered glass on the front does not just pop off so you can clean it. It would have been nice if we could just basically just pop it off here and take it out and clean it. You can't. I'm probably going to end up having to squeeze the plastic or at the things, the tabs on the inside of the case and taking the whole front off to clean it. It's going to be a pain. But I give it a few months and you're going to start getting dust build up in here. We'll see. Other than that, I don't see any major issues with decent fans. I like the style of the fans. It's nice. Later, guys.